Welcome back to my channel with Vigna Info. Hi friends, this is your science class. Today we will study living thing and non-living thing. The world is made up of many different things. We see a number of things around us. Some of them are living thing and others are non-living thing. There are two different kinds of things in the world. One kind is called living thing. The other kind is called non-living thing. Creatures like dog, cat, and elephant have life. Living things move from one place to another place on their own in search of food and shelter. Living things eat, breathe, grow, move, reproduce, and have senses. Such creatures are called living things. Things like watch, phone, and pen are lifeless. They cannot move on their own. Such things are called non living things. Non living things do not eat, breathe, grow, move, reproduce. They do not have senses. Plants are living things, but they cannot move from one place to another on their own. Non living things are of two types. First one is natural non living things. Second, man made non living things. Natural non living things. Natural non living things are found in nature, and natural non living things are not made by man. Example: sun, moon, stars, sky, clouds, mountains, and many more. Man made non living things. Man made non living things are made by man. Examples: book, computer, chairs, houses, trains, and many more. Welcome to the exciting and amazing world of living things. Go outside and look around you. Look at the sky, the soil, trees, plants, people, and animals. Nature is all around you if you have the eyes to see it. Count how many living things you can see. Now you will learn features of living and non living things. The common features of living things are: living things need oxygen to breathe, living things grow, living things feel, living things require food and water, living things show movement, living things reproduce. Living things breathe. All living things need air to breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. They use nose, mouth, and lungs to breathe. Fish breathe through gills. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. They use carbon dioxide in the process of photosynthesis. Plants breathe through tiny pores present under the leaves called stomata. Have you seen any pen, pencil, or book present in your home breathing in or breathing out? No, they are non living things. Non living things cannot breathe. Second feature of living thing: living thing grow. All living things grow. A boy grows into a man. A human baby grows into a young child and then to an adult. A seed grows into a new plant and then it may grow to become a tree. A kitten grows into a cat. Have you seen any pen, pencil, or eraser grow? No. This is because they are non living things. Non living things do not have life cycle. Third feature of living thing: living things feel. All living things feel and respond to the environment. Human beings and animals feel through their sense organs like eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue. We remove our hands quickly when a hot object comes in contact with them. Animals and birds migrate due to change in climate conditions. Have you ever seen your clothes crying when washed? No. This is because non living things do not have sense organs to feel. Fourth features of living thing. Living thing require food and water. Food is essential for all living things to survive and grow. Human beings and animals depend on plants and other animals for food. Plants make their own food by using air, water, and sunlight. This process is known as photosynthesis. Has your mobile ever asked food from you? No. That is because mobile phone is a non-living thing. Non-living things do not need food. The features of living thing. Living things show movement. Human beings and animals move from one place to another in search of food, water, and shelter. They also show movement to protect themselves from enemies. Birds fly, fish swim, snakes crawl, and frogs jump. Plants also show movement. Climbers move along the walls while creepers spread along the ground. Sunflower bends towards the sun. The stem of a plant grows upwards and its root grow under the soil. Non-living things like chair and table cannot move on their own. Sixth features of living thing. Living things reproduce. Living things have life cycles. So, reproduction is an important part of living things' life. All living things are capable of reproducing their own kind. Human beings and animals like cat, dog, cow, and lion give birth to their young ones. Birds, fishes, snakes lay eggs and the young ones hatch out of the eggs. Most of new plants arise from the seeds produced by an adult plant. Have you seen a book giving birth to another book? No. That is because non living things do not reproduce. Now, let us learn a difference between living things and non living things. Living things can breathe, non living things cannot breathe. Living things can eat, non living things cannot eat. Living things can grow, non living things cannot grow. Living things can move, non living things cannot move. Living things can feel, non living things cannot feel. Living things can reproduce, non living things cannot reproduce.